Okay, folks, we're back. Chuck has got a little project of his own going on there. He's going to make a little fiberglass cover for his smoker, and it's going to go on the back of his rig there in the trailer hitch deal. And a sweet little project he's got going. While he's working, we're done for the day. I went ahead and did up front here to patch up the Zeus spot. We put 2 layers and filler over that crack and that big hole there. 2 layers over top of this crack and filler there, a little bit over top of that Zeus, and then we put that this deal here back in here. We made a little spacer to space it up the height that it needs to be, and spread a little filler in the gap, and then 2 layers of 1.5 ounces over top of that too. So we'll let this harden up. Then we'll go ahead and scuff it all down again tomorrow, because if we're going to go back over it with more glass, you want that paraffin wax to be gone. But we may go just on this bottom return with a one quick layer, and then I think what I'm going to end up doing is bonding preformed glass like this stuff here on that whole bottom edge, leaving it to hang over a little bit so it'll give us a sharp edge to rebuild all of what's gone wrong here with the bottom edge of the side pot. All that gel coat is busted off because when they rolled the glass through on the inside, when they were molding apart, there was a puddle of gel in the corner. There was obviously a sharp edge down here in the mold, and it's nice you don't have any air when you're putting the glass on top of the gel, but having a big thick edge of gel like that, gel coat's not fiberglass. Gel coat is a surface coating, and it's not designed to fill up gaps. So you'd actually spray it at the right thickness, the right mill thickness, and then you would use a filler right on top of the gel for the glass to sit good and tight in there. So live and learn. These are production made parts. I'm sure I'm not ragging on Russell Anderson or whoever makes his parts, but I'm sure they're production pieces. Obviously, they don't even bother to radius the edge of any of this stuff, you know. Big Daddy did, though. His would be nice and radiused off. Attention to the details. That's what makes RPM the difference. We'll talk to y'all later. God bless. Look at Chuck. He's sweating out there. Go get him, Chuck.
I ain't sweating.